accelerating African solutions for drought resilience and land restoration with Paulownia. Africa is facing one of its greatest challenges, drought. Yet within this challenge lies an incredible opportunity for regeneration, resilience, and hope. With changing climate patterns, droughts are becoming more frequent and severe. Millions of hectares of land are being lost to desertification, threatening agriculture, food security, and livelihoods. But nature, with the right tools, can restore itself. Enter the Paulownia tree, a powerful, fast-growing solution designed to help Africa combat drought and regenerate degraded lands. Paulownia trees are known for their remarkable ability to grow rapidly in even the most arid conditions, thriving in degraded soils and resilient to droughts. Their deep roots anchor the soil, prevent erosion, and improve water retention, helping lands recover even after years of drought. With Paulownia, what was once barren soil can support life again. But Paulownia offers more than just environmental benefits. This fast-growing tree provides economic opportunities too. Its timber is highly valuable, supporting local economies and creating sustainable livelihoods for farmers. When planted alongside food crops, Paulownia helps create agroforestry systems, boosting food security and enriching local biodiversity. The trees provide shade and shelter, helping crops thrive in the harsh African sun. Benefit number 1, Paulownia enables land restoration. The soil is healthier and crops grow better. It's a new beginning for rural communities. Benefit number 2, the wood is valuable and it's used for building. Paulownia generates both food and income. It's helped populations adapt to changing weather patterns. Across Africa, communities are embracing Paulownia as a way to not only fight drought, but also to regenerate landscapes, support local economies, and enhance resilience to climate change. By accelerating tree planting and using Paulownia as a climate-resilient species, Africa has the chance to lead the world in land restoration, reversing desertification and building a future of sustainable prosperity. Together, we can restore the land. Together, we can thrive. Let's accelerate solutions for drought resilience and land restoration. With Paulownia, we can turn Africa's challenges into opportunities for lasting environmental and economic transformation. Discover how Paulownia is shaping Africa's climate future. Visit bioeconomysolutions.com to schedule a confidential briefing.